Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this quick tutorial we will learn how to save an entire assembly into one single STL file. This is especially useful when you want to 3D print your complete model as a single part. So let's go to SolidWorks and let's learn this. So you can see I am having an assembly and I want to save this file as a single STL file. Okay, so you can see that I have 6 parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I will go to here, save as, and then I will change the directory to desktop, and I will save this in this folder fully project. Okay, and here I will change this to punch STL, and I will change this file type to STL, this one. If you save it like this, so it will create 6 separate files. So I will go to here, options, and then you can see that file format is STL, units are millimeters, and these are all the tolerances. So after setting all the parameters, go to here, this option, save all components of an assembly in a single file. Make sure to check this box, and I will select OK and select save. Select yes. And now I will open this STL file in SolidWorks. I will cancel it. I will go to here, open, and then I will open this file, punch STL. As you can see that this is a single file. And here you can see that we have 6 bodies, but it is a single file. So that's how you can convert a assembly into a single STL file for your 3D printing project. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one sessions for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any questions, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.